Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Changing the USB of any Android default mode into File Transfer Protocol FTP. My name is Junaid, your instructor on this little demonstrational video. By default, all Android OS sets the default USB mode to charge your phone. That way, when you connect it to a computer for file transfer, you still need to grant some permission before you can have access to your phone. If you're tired of that, today I'm here with a solution that will enable you change that default protocol into FTP, File Transfer Protocol. I am carrying out this demonstration with my Nokia phone. It differs on so many phones. Sometimes when you plug your USB to your computer and attach it to your phone, you have a pop-up on your screen. But on my Nokia phone, by default, let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to connect my phone to my PC. I have my HP laptop here running JAWS. So let's go right ahead. Alright, right now my phone has been connected and I'm going to see if I can access my phone memory so that I can gain access to some files in it. So let's go to this PC.
Search box edit. TS. This PC. Enter. This PC.
And I'll look for my phone. It's a Nokia phone. So for that purpose, I'm going to press letter N.
N. Devices and drives expanded. Nokia 2.3. 1 of 3. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
That's my phone, Nokia 2.3, so I'm going to press enter on it.
Enter. Explorer pane. Unavailable. Nokia 2.3. Items view list box. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
So if I scroll down with my up and down arrow or the left and right arrow, let's see what I'll get. I'll get nothing. That's because I have not granted the permission for the computer to be able to gain access to my phone. To do that on a Nokia phone, you need to draw the notification shade. So I'm going to close this PC and go right ahead to my phone and grant the access.
Alt F4. JAWS Professional.
So this is my Nokia phone. I'll draw my notification shade right now.
Notification shade. 12:38 a.m.
And look for the Android permission.
Manage notifications button. 12:38 a.m. Double manage notification. Expand button. Elapsed Android system. Charging this device via USB. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Actions available. Use swipe left and down to view.
So it says Android system charging this device via USB. I'm going to click it.
Elapsed. USB preferences. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
And keep swiping right.
Checked. Use USB 4. Edit. 5 of 10.
So once you hear that, use USB 4. I'm going to swipe right again.
Unchecked. Radio button. File transfer. 6 of 10. Double tap to activate.
The first option on my phone here after I use USB 4 is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. So I'm going to check it. It's a checkbox here.
Checked.
And immediately that was done, you heard that click on my PC. So right now I'll go back to my PC and go to this PC right there.
Search box edit. Type in text. HTH. This PC. Add. Press right to
I'll press enter to activate
enter. This PC.
and press letter N to locate my phone.
N. Devices and drives
Screen off.
expanded.
Radio silent.
Nokia 2.3. 1 of 3. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
I'll press enter here.
Enter. Desktop. Nokia 2.3.
Right now, let's see if I can access my device memory and my external card.
SD card.
That's my SD card. I have done that by pressing right arrow. So I'm going to press my left arrow to see if I can access my internal device storage.
Internal shared storage.
That's my internal shared storage. So I'll press enter to activate.
Enter. Internal shared storage.
Alright, I'll go to my download folder. Let's see if I can access some files therein.
D. Data. D. DCIFD. Download. Enter. Download. Unavailable.
Okay, I'll press my download.
Bookshare proof of Ernest Hemingway. A Farewell to Arms.
So here are my files. I have them here. Not like the first time I demonstrated it. There was no access to any file. Simply because I have not granted the permission on my phone so that this computer can gain access to the files therein. What if I don't want that? I'm just too busy to always grant that permission each time I connect my computer to my phone to access a file there. If you're like me, that hate that stress, come along with me and I'll show you how you can get rid of it permanently. And that's why we're here. So I'm gonna close this completely
Alt F4. JAWS Professional.
and remove my phone from the PC.
Device unlocked. 12:41 a.m. Checked. Radio button. File transfer disabled. 6 of 10.
Okay, file transfer has been disabled. That's because the phone has been, ejected. So I'm going to press the back
Back
button.
button. Home screen 101. Play Store. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Actions available. Use swipe left hand out to view.
Right, the next thing I'm going to do to effect that change is to go to my phone settings and go to about phone. Once I get there, I'm going to be enabling the developer settings.
Settings. Settings. Search settings. Double tap to activate.
Right now, I'm on settings. To enable the developer mode, you are going to keep swiping until you get to about phone. So I'll start to do that right away.
Google services and preference. System about phone. Top 1206. 16 of 16. Double
Okay.
tap to activate.
I'm here, about phone. So I'm going to click it by double tapping on it.
About phone. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
Once that has been done, you need to also keep swiping right until you get to the build number.
About search. Adult. User. Phone. Number. Legal. Sims. Sim stat. Model of. Sims. Sims slot 2. 354216. Android version. IP address. Wi-Fi MAC address. Bluetooth address. Uptime. 1. Build number. 00WW2230. 18 of 18.
Okay,
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
that is my build number spoken by my screen reader. I'm going to now carry out the step of enabling the developer settings here. And the way to do that is to double tap your phone multiple times. Once you are a developer, your phone will tell you. So I'm going to start.
You are now 4 steps away. You are now 3 steps away. You are now 2 steps away. You are now 1 step away. You are now a developer.
That's it. I am now a developer. So that way I have enabled the developer mode. I'm going to press my back button to go to developer option and I'll show you how to get that.
Back. Settings. About phone. Top 1206. 16.
But just before I go there, I must let you know that once you access the developer option, you need to be very careful because You must not tamper with what you don't know. Here, it's risky to do what you don't know at the developer option settings because that can destroy your phone. So we are going to be exploring it carefully, and I want you to follow me as I do that. So I'll go to System,
backup 15 of 16. Double tap to activate.
I'm right on System. I'll open it by clicking.
System, navigate up button.
Here, I'm going to find the developer option.
System, search, language, gestures, date and time, GMT +01, backup, off, advanced, reset options. Advanced, reset options, multiple users, certification, developer options, system update, 5 of 5.
Good, you can hear that.
Activate.
The developer option is in advanced feature. So I'm going to open advanced feature so that I can access it. And I'll keep swiping right.
Navigate, system, search, language, gesture, date and time, backup, reset up, multiple, certificate, developer options, 8 of 9. Double tap to activate.
That's the developer option. I'm going to click it.
Developer options, navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
And I'll swipe right like once or twice.
Developer, search settings. Memory, add 1.6 GB of 1.9 GB memory used, 2 of 99, and list 99 items. Double tap to activate.
Once you get to the first item here, you change your reading granularity to headings by swiping down with one finger.
Characters, words, lines, paragraphs, headings.
I'm on headings, so I'm going to swipe right.
Debugging, heading, 16 of 99.
Once you swipe to debugging, the next thing you are going to do is to swipe back to default with one finger. So you are going to be doing the opposite of what you have done the first time. That's swiping from down to the top.
Default.
So I'm on default right now, so let me keep swiping right.
Navigate up button out of low mark location app set. Force full GM, enable view, select debug app, wait for debugger, verify apps over US, verify item of logger buffer, feature flat, enable game driver, system trace, networking, wireless displays, enable Wi-Fi scan, mobile data always active, all with tethering hardware acceleration, default USB configuration, 38 of 99. Double tap to activate.
Here we are, default USB configuration. So I'll click here.
USB, navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
Let's keep swiping right so that we can get what is here by default.
USB, not checked. Radio button, file transfer, 1 of 6, and list 6 items. Double tap to activate.
That's the FTP I'm talking about. It's not checked, so I'm going to keep swiping right. I'm not going to check it now.
Not checked. Radio, not checked. Not checked. Checked. Radio button, no data transfer, 5 of 6.
See what is checked here? No data transfer is checked. So you are going to change it to file transfer, which is the first option. So I'm going to be swiping from right to left so that I can get the first option.
Not checked. Radio, not checked. Not checked. Not checked. US, navigate. USB, not checked. Radio button, file transfer, 1 of 6, and list 6 items.
And I'm
Double
going to
tap
click
to
here.
activate. Checked.
Then keep swiping
When
right.
another device is connected and your phone is unlocked, these settings will be applied. Only connect to trusted devices, 6 of 6.
That is one thing I want you to notice. Let's listen to that dialogue again.
Not checked. When another device is connected and your phone is unlocked, these settings will be applied. Only connect to trusted devices, 6 of 6.
Good. Immediately you connect to anything. Okay, let's just narrow it down to your computer. The FTP will be enabled immediately as your phone unlocks. So in essence, you have to be careful what you connect to so that virus will not gain access to your phone. So if you are sure of the source where you are getting your files, of course, be like a pro, enable it, and do your things easily. So I'm going to press the back button here.
Back button out of developer options. Default USB configuration, 38 of 99, and list, 99 items.
I'll press the back button again.
Back, button. System, developer options, 8 of 9, and list, 9
I'll go
items.
back to developer option.
Developer options, navigate up, button. Double tap to activate.
And guess what I want to do? I'm going to turn it off. And that's the way you should do it too. It's not advisable to leave it on after you must have made any adjustments.
Develop search settings. Switch. Double tap to activate.
So I'm going to toggle this switch to off.
Off.
And press my back button to get to the home screen.
Back.
Alright,
Available.
let's
Swipe left hand down to view.
check the magic and see if it has been done. My PC.
Escape.
Okay. Is here with me? Let's go.
Charging started, battery level 62%.
So I have the USB connected to my laptop and my phone. I'll go to this PC.
Search box at HTH. This PC. Enter. This PC.
And press letter N.
N. Devices and drives expanded. Nokia 2.
I'm going to press enter to open it. And let's see what we have.
Enter. Nokia 2.3.
Screen off.
Items
Breaker
view
silent.
multi-select list box.
Let me see if I have my SD card on my internal shared memory.
SD card. Internal shared storage.
Hooray! That's it. You have it without enabling anything from the notification or without having to check your screen for any pop-up, as the case would be on some other phones, Samsung, Lego, and some other phones like that. So the magic has been done. So let me go to
internal
my
shared.
internal shared memory
Enter.
and see
Internal
if I can
shared
access.
storage. No. Easy voice recorder. DCIN. Extracted at. DC carrier audios. APK editor.
So these are my folders. Let me see if I can access any
D.
file.
Data. D. DCIN. D. Download. Enter. Shell folder. Increasing direct booking in hotel.pdf.
That's a file. And I've been able to just access that easily without any stress. Isn't that good? You agree with me that it's a good thing. Technology, like I always tell you, it is the only word of endless possibility. See you next time. Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concern, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. EMMANUELJUNAIDH@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.